Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. This time we are down at Manor farm. I spent my last night in my syndicate water where I managed to land a nice 34-pound scaly mirror one. Check this video out, you will love it. Alright guys, quick session before we go Manor farm, and we managed to land this 34-pound scaly mirror. Look at this. Ooh. Look at this. Can you come closer? A little bit. Look at this. It came on a yellow super buoyant cell, yellow pop-up, and yeah, a few particles later I will show you the bait. Look at this fish. Just before we have to pack up. Really nice fish. Look at that mouth. Another side. 34-pound, 2 between 9 ounce. Really nice fish. Well pleased with this one. Okay, let's slip it back and let's go to our little social event. Yes! Bye bye. Very nice fish. This fish probably was close to 40 or 38, close to 40. But anyway, we are pleased with this. Alright, let's pack up and let's go. See you in a little bit. We quickly packed up our stuff and headed to Manor farm to start our social event. Before the draw, we all went for a quick walk around the lake to get some idea where we would like to fish for the next 48 hours. We took a walk around the lake to get a better sense of where the fish might be. It gave us a chance to spot any sign of movement and discuss potential hotspots.
Okay, Richard. Reveal them at the end.
Yeah. This is fixed.
No pressure.
Me?
That is fixed. What are you doing?
Who's
I'll have one. Chris!
yeah,
Now. Where is he?
Well, yeah, one per team.
Do one per team.
yeah, one per team, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone pick one?
Oh yeah. Who's the number one?
Who's got number one?
Fuck off! What's that? What you got?
Second from last. That's better than being last, Scotty.
Oh,
Number
two. Okay.
Who's got one?
Who's got one?
You got 5.
Grace! He's got to have another check on. Probably run off. He's got another check on.
He's got 1. That's because we're fucking.
We might as well just go and check.
Yeah, we're on the panel.
Oh, hold on.
Can we not?
Whatever number we pick, that's the swim we, that's the peg we get, yeah?
No, no.
No, come on!
Oh. Drop in.
Joe.
Yeah, you did, yeah.
Yeah. Number 2.
Where they go?
Number 4. 3, is that? Yeah. One with that's, oh, sorry.
Use new, mate.
Like 3.
Who got 2?
5.
Oh, we got 2 options. We got 6 or 2.
No, 6 is
Or
gone.
1.
Go 1.
Maybe. What do you think?
Go 2.
8. If 1 was our first choice. Second.
Go 5.
I would go 1.
Go back 1.
1.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah.
Before we go, can we do a group picture again?
Yeah. Go 2, yeah.
Peg 4 or peg 5.
Yes.
Don't want any fucking about. Don't even know where the swims were on this one.
Where you got? This 3. That name is showing.
Guys,
They're the only
I
bags.
didn't look at peg 4 to be honest. I missed it.
I'll probably say anything. Thanks, Sam.
the last one is peg.
You don't want peg 4, did you?
Who's the last one? I use it.
Finally, we got into the swim. Really happy. It's a good choice, I think. This was the best option, I think, to choose. But loads of fish were showing over there, front of that swim. And they are all showing close to the, that was just one. There's loads of show over there. And all the swim around there, oh, there was another one. Yeah, all the swim, we couldn't get there, that went first. This was the closest swim where we are. So yeah, so this swim was the closest, and the next one over there where is Laszlo, that was the closest one to the fish, so that's why we choose this swim. We would have liked that side over there, that side, that swim. That was so many movement. Managed to get the rods out, managed to find 3 spots. Hopefully that will produce. One is just under here. Nice silky smooth bottom, close to the bank. I got there on a big tree, gravel, 18 reps, and I got there between the 2, 3, 25 reps, 25 and a half reps. 25 and a half reps between the 2, 3. That's where nice clean gravel-ish area. After that, it's really weedy, so that I can't get the rod there. So yeah, that's the plan at the moment. I got one solid bag, one pop-up and one zig. The zig, I will change it later on to bottom bait, because I think we might have a better option on the bottom. So yeah, here I've got a solid bag. On there I've got a pop-up on a big tree, and at the moment open water I've got a zig out, because loads of fish are showing on the top. So I thought that maybe they will be interested for zigs. But yeah, that's the plan at the moment. We're still early. I have to tie it up here, really messy. And also, I have to clean my area here. I have to clean this area here. If I gonna have a fish, I need to be able to land them. So I have to clear that. So that's gonna be my next mission. Let's hope the best. See you later. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, it's a perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Like this video and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you're never gonna miss another one. Now my swim area is nice and clean, ready to catch a fish. I decided to recast all my rods quickly and also switch from using zig rig to bottom bait because I wasn't getting any interest on it. See those pop-ups. Yeah, nice. Get it out.
It's a big, nice clear spot, which is, I think it's clay, and then it's quite hard. It's a nice dunk, and after is gravel. So it's just, you pull it a little bit, and then nice, gravel. So I'm on the clay.
Now, how many reps is that?
15.
15?
Yeah.
Nice. We headed into the night feeling confident, knowing our rig was set up perfectly and ready to catch any carp wandering the lake. The condition just felt right, and the anticipation of hearing the bite alarms kept us on the edge. Nighttime was quiet for most of us, but then managed to land nice 30-pound common carp, and in the early hours he also caught a 28-pound common carp. Good effort done. Also, let's not forget about Chris, who managed to land a 28-pound mirror carp. This is definitely looks bigger than it is. Well done, Chris. Yo, good morning, guys. Very quiet night. Very quiet night. And not for everybody. Few of the guys caught a fish. The guys next to us, they caught 2 fish. And on the opposite side of peg 3 or 4, they caught one really nice leatherish carp, which looks really good. Not gonna lie, looks really good. Looks big. Looks bigger than it is. For us, it was very quiet night. Nothing happened. I think maybe because we are in deep water. It's hard to tell. Maybe they will turn up. Today is gonna be really nice weather, and hopefully we can try nick 1 or 2 on the surface. That would be great. That would be ideal, but you will see. We got a few more hours until we have to reel in and start the barbecue. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Try to catch a few on the surface after barbecue, and maybe now I'm just about to spomb out some floaters. Maybe they interested. Early morning update. Nothing happened so far. We still got time. It's really early. It's only 7:30. Oh, there was one really close to us. Just jumped out. I will get back to you later. And around 12 o'clock, my fish finally arrived. I didn't expect anything at that time of the day, but the fish proved me wrong. After a short battle, Laszlo quickly netted a fish for me. Our first fish, a little football shaped 21 pound 10 ounce mirror. As soon as it left me. Here is it. Oh, come on. Here is it. The 2110. Quickly on the other side.
It might be easier.
Okay, there's another side. This fish. I spotted a lot of fish swimming near the surface, about 20 plus reps out, so I needed to act fast. I quickly spotted a few floating pellets to attract them and get them feeding confidently. It took me a while to hook one, but it was worth it in the end. Alright, here is another one. This one came not long after the previous one. This one is a long mirror, probably the same size as the previous one. I was hungry for the biscuits. Look at this. It's like a little torpedo shaped mirror. Yeah. Really nice. This is the second fish. Yeah, hopefully we're gonna catch more. Oh, this size is really nice. Nice gear. Spawned out little fish. Look at this. Nice fish, really nice fish. All right, let's do some picture. Let's weight it and I'll let you know how big was this one. Probably, I don't know. Here we go.
They want the round leave it.
What's going on? Taking a short break from fishing to gather around and socialize. The weather was perfect and the company even better. After catching a few fish, we set up the barbecue and grilled up a feast, which everyone absolutely enjoyed. Along with some delicious food, we cracked open a few beers, sharing stories, laughter, and enjoyed the laid-back vibe. Our top chef, Dan, made sure that no meat was left uncooked. Thank you, Dan. The lake in the background, combined with the appetizing smell of barbecue, made the whole experience even more special. The peaceful surroundings and the bond of friendship made our time by the water truly unforgettable. If you are interested in joining one of our social events, feel free to contact us on any social platform for more details. After the barbecue, everyone was feeling full and satisfied. We all headed back to our swim to relax by the water.
Where's your third rod? Oh yeah, are you afloat?
I'm ready. I've been putting a few biscuits out with a spod.
Yeah, I see it.
A couple of times they've come up, but it's bloody
Swans, huh?
Yeah. You're on it straight away.
The trouble is now that sun comes round here and it's right in
Your
Baby.
during the day. It's lovely.
ball in your head.
Yeah.
In the same.
Caught anything?
No.
Some fish over there.
Yeah. Do you think it's been disappointing?
No.
A little bit slow.
Yeah.
It's 1,000 fish in here. More fish coming out.
Yeah.
But, and it's after spawning, isn't it?
Yeah.
You would think
Yeah.
there's a lot of fish coming out because they are hungry, but
Yeah.
this is what it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna play the same and catch loads, can't I? So,
We do what we can.
yeah, that's what you can do. That's why it's called fishing and
Mm.
not catching, isn't
Yeah.
How far are you going out?
it? I'm, I suppose, 12 wraps out. See the pole, the telegraph pole, to that one.
Find something nice and clear there.
Yeah, but, you know, are you on it when you go next time?
Mm-hmm.
You know, it feels like it goes down. And, you know.
It's supposed to be a gravel bar somewhere.
Yeah, they were saying, wasn't it? Someone said it's closer in.
Yeah.
And runs round this way.
So maybe that one you find.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a lot here.
Yeah. But someone said that, because I said about that muddy one round there, you know,
Mhm.
they said that they won a competition from there the other
Yeah.
day.
I
that-
think
was that
that
someone
was
you
me.
knew?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This bag,
Yeah.
there was a guy was here, and he caught 10 fish, and it was 3 or 4 40s
Really?
from the 10. Yeah. So this bag is very good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You might need to go a little bit further out.
Yeah.
22 wraps.
Yeah, someone else, yeah.
I think 20. The previous
20,
guy
that's
fished
good.
20
Yeah.
wraps or something.
Yeah. Yeah, I might give it a go.
Yeah, I tried. Maybe with a solid bag or something.
Yeah.
22 wraps or something like that.
Yeah, I've only been using singles, just
Uh-huh.
a pop-up, you know.
Yeah.
Just slightly popped up.
Looks good. This swim looks very good.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we wanted this swim.
You did?
Yeah, we did. That was our first choice.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it would have been.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was loads of crush in here.
Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, I was just like saying it's close to the van.
Yeah.
You know, if it was right down the bottom, that'd kill me.
Oh,
down there
yeah.
With a barrow and, you know what I mean? I would have done it, but if I can, I'd just,
You really have to, yeah.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you.
Good luck.
You catch a big one?
Yeah, last night.
There's lots of 40s in here, so.
Yeah, that's what I mean, I've done all the research and the, you know, things, but
Just one.
This is the thing, big one is really difficult to catch. And
Yeah.
if it's lots of big ones,
yeah,
adds up, you know.
yeah. Who knows?
Yeah.
I think once it cools down, you've got more chance on the bottom.
Yes.
Yeah,
Since
Huh? Yeah, it's really nice. There was some fish throwing down there,
Yeah,
in front of the tree.
When it got to night time, all in this bay here, it was just constant jumping.
Yeah.
Jumping. So that's
Uh-huh.
why tonight we thought we'd
Oh,
levitate and all that.
Do you have one down there in the hole?
you can't get anywhere in there.
Nah,
That's where the line
That
is.
in that hole there, you've got a line coming across. So every time you cast in there,
Really?
yeah, in that little bay in there. So every time if you go in there, you literally there's a line attached from one piece to another piece. So literally, as you're pulling on it, your whole rig comes out the
Out of
water.
the air.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So it's
About
attached
a
by
metre
two
out the
ends.
water, and then it goes. Across. So it's either that swim or that swim over there.
I think someone's cast it from recent swim across.
Yeah, maybe. But that's why we've gone 3 in the middle, and then Tom's got 2 off the tree, haven't you?
Why not? I've got one up a tree, one in the middle here. I think.
If I was you, I would cast with this with a bare lead and try to like break it off.
You try. You've snapped your
I
line.
snapped my lead.
Yeah?
You snapped the bare leg round it.
I was walking back with it, trying to pull it out, and it just snapped before, so that must be braid or something.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, do cast over there because you can't cast.
You can't get anywhere from this tree to that tree in that gap. You can't get anywhere near that.
Shit.
It's all weed along these, in front of these bushes as well. Really, it's all weed.
So it's mainly
straight out.
straight out. Yeah. But
Have you tried floaters?
We pinged a few out.
We pinged a few
Got a lot
out.
of the ducks and coots around it.
But we
Yeah, you have to get through them.
Yeah. We had so
We
many.
ain't got that many floaters really, but
We had so many ducks and cormorants in here earlier, and all the.
we had 3 cormorants in here at one point.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have seen a few though. We've seen like quite a few coming in really close.
Yeah, they come really
like,
close, yeah.
Big fish, you know, like 30-pounders.
Actually, this corner looks really nice and chilled.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's nice.
Last time there was a guy here called Tech 16 caught 15 fish and it was like 4 or 5 was 40. 40 bar, yeah, no, 16.
Oh, 16, the one. Yeah.
40 bar, 40 clear. So something, and 15 other fish.
What's up with Ben and John? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. There's big fish in here. It's one of the oldest here in the whole complex. So I think it's 52 is the biggest in here.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
And is there anybody gonna get a bucket end of the session?
bucket.
Yeah, he's got a PB. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my PB's 27, so I think if
If
I
he
hook
gets
one,
anything over
I
30,
think
it's
I'll
a
have
PB.
easy,
It's a
PB,
PB.
yeah.
Very easily.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
We need a few people.
Yeah.
We need a few.
Yeah, nice.
I'm just hoping tonight, when it cools off,
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully we get the same as last night.
Last
We have
night,
the same
yeah.
situation where they all come
Because
down.
we weren't prepared last night. We was fishing a lot closer in.
Oh,
We were fishing like margin spots and stuff. And then we decided today, no, we're gonna put a fair bit of bait out and in the spot.
That's the reason for it. It's like 1,000 fish in here. So you need to put
that's
some
what
bait.
I heard. When
As I
heard,
thought, there's a lot of little fish I've noticed
Mhm.
as well, so I thought,
This is the perfect time after spawning and everything. So fish must be hungry. It has
Yeah.
to be. There's no way he's not hungry.
1,000 after spawning, you'd think they'd just be devouring.
Yeah.
Piranha. Alright guys, good luck tonight.
Good luck.
you too.
And catch you later.
That's his food.
Is that his food?
You not got food?
Yeah,
Are you still having some food?
we got garlic bread and lasagna going on.
Are you gonna lasagna?
Lasagna, yeah.
Oh, I'll tell you what it's going to.
Oh, it's a game changer.
How are you gonna eat that?
Goes in there. We're having a little bit of burger to go on with as well.
Jump in that sink, whatever, sit down there. It is a beautiful swim, isn't it?
Yeah. That's a really nice swim. Big.
30 wraps on a dustbin lid there. Spotted all over the top. We got bits.
Every time on the money.
Yeah.
I reckon this. But they were saying they're looking at the shop. They said they're surprised no one's in the muddy.
Yeah. I'm surprised as well. Because I thought you were gonna go there. To be fair.
It's not our
Well,
water, I don't think.
Oh well. I'm not sure. This pair thing was really difficult to split the
Yeah.
event.
But they ended up moving down a little bit anyway because
The muddy is
very
Damn.
Yeah. One of my friends, about a month ago, there was a competition. They won it from there. Oh, what they won from the
Not
muddy?
finished yet, mate.
Yeah,
Not
they
finished
caught
yet.
No?
No, garlic bread.
39
Garlic bread.
Oh. Yes, please. Isn't it? Yes, please.
You ain't having it.
I'll take £12, let alone 39.
Anything will be fine.
Oh, I'm confident.
Find your sweet spot, yeah?
Yeah. Big tallest brick.
Just
Get
packed.
in my belly.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's the same marker though, isn't it?
A good marker. Nice.
And it don't get too dark here either, does it?
We were saying earlier,
Oh. Same.
we was to not get any more fish until we went on. We physically couldn't have done any more. We've fucking thrashed it, like proper legged it about. Reese's found a lovely spot over there. Like, lovely spot over there. Changed my approach to deal with the weeds. Like, we've been proper adaptable. And
That's what you need to do.
we were both sitting here thinking, actually,
Done
can't
everything.
do anything else.
Oh.
We're on the money. If it happens, you know what I mean, we deserve it. If it don't, like, then it was never going to happen. Like, you know what I mean?
Here we have a really cool one. Very nice one. Actually. It was a lovely trip.
Yeah, it looks big.
And the pictures looks like food.
Yeah.
I kept saying him it was a little one.
He was
Put
going,
his
it's a
head on.
pasty, just pull it in. Drag it in, drag it in.
So who's fishing there? There.
You wanted to have a shower, but there's
Yeah. Shower. They close the shower. What, 30-foot spot rod?
Yeah, yeah. I brought my big rods. Again, we'd be fishing out with like 25 to 35 wraps. 13 foot. But we're fishing at 7 wraps and 2/3. Yeah.
Yeah.
I cast out. I threw out. I think I went to 27 wraps just to have a feel, but it was weed.
Nothing really?
Like, so weed down there.
Uh-huh.
Is it clear in here?
Yeah, it's like a bar. To a chance. Just done a little cast. It's, if you look down in front of his peg there, you can see the gravelly bit.
Uh-huh.
It feels like that.
That smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. He's a good angler.
Yeah.
Good chef.
Very good chef. Very good chef, Dan.
You stitch him up.
It doesn't matter if you got a tip, you still
No.
have to fish it.
Exactly. You've
and
still
you
got
have
to
to
find
catch
that
the
spot.
fish.
You've still got to put the bait on.
And
You've still
you
got
still
to.
have to catch the fish from it.
Yeah.
Because even if
Yeah,
you
some
have a
fishing.
bite, you lose.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And there's a lot of weed out there. He said whenever he was playing one, I kept diving down towards him and trying to get into the weed.
That's
You
what
had
they
it?
do.
And who was out this afternoon?
No, nothing. We tried surface, but they're gone. They're gone.
We just only feed them, we didn't cast out.
Yeah, but
We're gonna do it now.
they're gone. There's no more. Maybe later on. A few more surface out, but
It's not getting dark. We were surprised last night. It was still.
yeah, 10 o'clock is
Right,
still.
yeah.
But yeah.
Still got a good few hours left to get him on top, I guess. It doesn't seem as active up here tonight, mate.
Nah, at all.
But that's filling me a bit with confidence. They got to be down somewhere.
Yeah.
I know it's tricky doing that with such a big rod. Doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right, honestly. The last time I used that, I think 32 wraps.
Oh, you caught very nice fish last time. I saw the pictures. Caught some big ones, yeah?
Oh, when we were in France, yeah.
I was in France.
Yeah,
Okay.
nothing monstrous for over there. Just Dan and Paul brought me PBs. Oh, they bought 40s. I had a 40. I think.
You had a 50 something as well, yeah?
No. We did really well. The week before, there were 7 guys on the lake and they only had 9 fish out between them.
Uh-huh.
I think between us, I think I had 18.
Oh, that's
Dan
really
had
good.
9 or 10. I think Paul had 5.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay. Didn't open. That didn't open.
is that a potential Noddy point prize? Or
Yes.
I think Rich is on 2.
No,
But-
it's free.
Them guys next door, Dan and Paul, if they don't win it, I think they should have it as a team. They've lost 4 bombs.
Oh, the
Yeah,
really?
4 bombs. They've lost the Who marker float setup.
It's over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they must be in. They gotta be in the lead. They gotta be.
It might gonna win the normal prizes.
Although Rich did fall in the first day.
How did you fall in?
With the people would, so they. He stepped on the sleeper, keeping the peg up,
Oh.
and they just all went in. Along with Rich.
Yeah, it would be nice to get in the water now.
You wouldn't mind falling, yeah?
No, accidentally. They were really active over there in the middle earlier. Not anymore.
More the night bites and morning bites.
Yeah, and Dan's gonna have more tonight.
Yeah, that's
got
what
he's got a spot he's confident with.
Yeah.
He'll get more fish tonight.
He's got his spot. I found a new spot as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nicely put lots of bait on it.
Gravel, clay.
It's gravel,
Yeah.
but I go over a little bit. It's a nice donk, so it's
Yeah.
a hard clay or something, and then it's gravel after. So
Okay. Just on the edge of it, like.
yeah, I'm after a little bit the gravel, not before.
Yeah.
So
Oh nice.
put lots of bait on it, and then I'm now gonna cast 2 rods on it. Hey!
That's
Well
it.
there, perfect.
Another
Hey!
Noddy point.
Another point for you, mate.
They can't leave.
Tell you what you want to do, open the cooler as well, haven't you?
You do that.
Oh, that's the right side.
Whoa, ho, ho.
The good stuff.
The boys are ready. I think it's time to get the rods out, yeah?
I need to catch a PB.
Yeah.
Right.
There's not many fish came out so far. How many? 2, 5 fish.
Yeah.
So really slow. So we have to work for it, for sure.
Definitely.
What's the plan for tonight for you?
I'm gonna catch a PB
Yeah, and what tactic?
on the bottom.
Bottom. Yeah, same to me. Same to me. All 3 on the bottom.
I had the zig hours for 36 hours and there was nothing on it. So I'm not gonna use zigs tonight. I know it's working, I know it's a cracking tactic, but it did not work for some reason. Yeah. So I need to change. So I find a nice spot. It's about 15 wraps. I put lots of food out there. So I put two rigs on it, and one rig will go 26 wraps out. That will be our solid bag. Which I had lots of food there from yesterday, and I don't think they ate all because I did not have one bite over there. See? It's closing.
Oh, really close, yeah. Yeah, same. I'm gonna put 2 on the bottom. Probably yellow popper because that's how I caught the fish. And yeah, it's just 1. And probably we're gonna keep applying floaters to see if we can get them on a feed. That would, yeah. But it's getting late now. It's around what time? 7. Yeah, almost 7. So maybe 2 hours and then not much chance to catch on the surface. Maybe tomorrow morning, early morning, but we have to pack up. All right.
We have to catch.
Yeah, we need
I
1.
think the guy next door will catch one again. Maybe one in the morning because that what happened last time.
Yeah.
But it's not guaranteed. So it maybe not happened. But looks like he's on it, so he will catch.
Yeah.
So we definitely need to catch. I'd have to catch at least 1 fish because I haven't caught anything yet.
Yeah.
so it doesn't matter how big is it, but I have to catch one. I really like to break a PB
Yeah,
because it's possible in here, but
loads of big fish. We just need a 40 pounder. 40 pound, 1 ounce would do.
that would be awesome.
Yeah, that would be a
40.00 would be
yeah,
fine as well
for me as well. Yeah.
So
All right, let's not waste time. Let's get the rods out. Let's catch some monsters. It was great to catch up with each person, hearing their thoughts on how the day was progressing and get their perspective on fishing and the overall experience. After a long and fulfilling day, we finally managed to get the rods in the water and some bait on the top of it. With everything set up perfectly, we took a step back, relaxed in our chairs and let the peaceful surroundings sink in. It was a peaceful moment with nothing left to do but enjoy the scenery and wait for a fish. It didn't take long before Tom's rod sprang to life, and after a steady battle, he managed to land a beautiful 29-pound common carp. It was a stunning fish, and with it, Tom set a new personal best. Well done, Tom. In the early hours of Sunday, Dan managed to land the biggest fish of the social, a stunning 34-pound 6-ounce carp. It was an incredible catch, and the excitement around the lake was real. What a great catch. Good job, Dan. Wait. Alright, come on, guys. Not just like that. Come on.
is that rolling?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Very much.
Dan.
For the biggest fish and the first place as well.
Yeah.
Trophy
Cheers.
for you.
Thank you very much. Oh, two.
One of them is yours.
Yeah.
2 of them.
Thank you
That's
very much. Yeah, cheers. Cheers, lad.
And
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, great.
Richard second.
Second goes to yourself and
Yeah, for us. Thank you.
well done.
And the notice prize is going to Richard. Well done, mate.
Noddy, slip in the water.
Well done, guys. What a brilliant social.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah.
Thanks for organising it.
Sorry.
Superb.
Yeah.
Good guys, have a good
Yeah, safe drive home.
We all stink and you'll be stinking fresh. You're lucky it won't burn. You ready?
Burners is bad, yeah.
They're rolling.
I'll give it near. Give it near.
As well,
All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification.
Yes. Have they seen the results and everything? It was all there, yeah?
Yeah, it should be there.
Okay. And it's all good. Everyone's happy. It was a good social. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Take care, yeah?
Thanks for watching, and we catch you in the next one. Bye now.